Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a website for hair appointments. The platform that I would recommend you use is Wix. And the reason why I recommend Wix is not only can you get started for completely free and you don't need a credit card, but it is also beginner friendly. So even if you don't have no experience in creating a website, you'll be able to create a beautiful website using Wix. So first go onto wix.com, then you are going to tap on Get Started. After selecting Get Started, from here you have a few sign up options. You can either manually enter your email address twice, then create a password, or you can select Continue with Google, or you can sign up with your Facebook account. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this page. And from here on the search bar, I want you to type in hair salon. So you are going to type in hair salon right here. After typing in hair salon, you can select that option. Then you are going to tap on continue. And after selecting continue, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll see numerous templates. And all you'll need to do is scroll down and select one of these beautiful preloaded templates. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one right here. All you have to do is tap on choose template. After you have done that, from the left hand menu option, you'll now be able to decide the colors of your theme. So if you want to change the color, you can select any one of these colors. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Save and Continue in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, here you'll see a list of apps that you can add to your hair salon website. So for example, you'll add booking, as you want clients to be able to book their services online. And also you're going to see stores. So if you want to sell a few products online, you can tap on this. And also you can scroll down. If you sell any type of tickets or so on, you can do that. If you want to write blogs, you could tap on blog right here. And you can also scroll down and you can also set up a pricing plan if you want. So you could tap right here. For example, you could put up how much for a cream and how much for a wash. And then you can also scroll down and you are going to be accepting payments. So you are going to tap on forms and payments. And more than likely, you're going to be adding your Instagram feed as you want to build your social network. And you're going to scroll down, and also having an online chat is very good. So you could tap on that also. Then from here, you can scroll down. You don't need a forum and you don't need to select file sharing. So you're going to scroll down. And then that would be it. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Go to Dashboard in the bottom left hand corner. Once on the dashboard, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option. And from here, you will see a few things. For example, if you are planning to sell products, you could hover over Store Products. Then from here, let's tap on Store Products and let me show you how to add a product. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to see in the top right hand corner, you will see New Product. And by the way, you can delete all of the preloaded products if you want. All you'll have to do is tap right at the top beside Name. After you have done that, you're going to see the option More Actions, and then you could select Delete. And you'll be able to delete all of the preloaded products at once. Another thing that you can also do to add your own product, in the top right hand corner, you're going to tap on New Product. Then from here, you have the option to add physical products, or you can add digital products. After you have added the products, to maintain your inventory, you can select inventory in the left hand menu option right there, and you can maintain your inventory. If you are planning to do some form of drop shipping, all you'll need to do is tap on Find Products to Sell right there. And from there, you can type in drop shipping on the App Store and you'll see numerous products. For example, if you would like to import products from AliExpress or so on, you can also do that. Then coming down, you will see booking services. You could select that. Since you are going to have persons booking, or better yet setting appointments, as you can see right here, appointment. From here you'll see a private session that can be booked according to availability. Then all you'll have to do right now, you can see some preloaded appointment styles that they have set right here. All you'll do is simply tap on edit to select the option. Let's say gel pedicure, or you'll see advanced nail design, or you could tap on start from scratch. But for this example, I'll select gel pedicure. So you're going to tap on edit. Once you have selected edit, from here you'll be able to change the name of the service that you provide. So you can tap right where you see name, and you'll be able to change the name. You can also add a tagline right there and a description if you want. And you'll also be able to set up the duration, how long does it normally last. Then you'll scroll down, and from here you'll be able to see the price and payment structure. So you can select whether it is per session with a plan, but more than likely it will be per session. Or if you have a membership package, you could select that. Then you'll scroll down, and from here you'll be able to set your price, whether it is a fixed price or the price varies, or you have a custom price, you can select that. Then you'll be able to enter the amount right there. And if the payment preferences, you can tap on that, whether it is entire amount in person, or they'll need to make a deposit online and then the rest in person when they come in store. You could select that also. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll down, and you could edit the membership package if you have a membership package. And also I would recommend that you add your business location right here. You could do that. And if you have particular staff members that are in charge of, for example, doing pedicures, you could tap on add staff, and from there you will be able to upload the staff pic and so on, as you can see right here, to make it look even more professional. Then you'll tap on save. After you have done that, you can go over again to the left hand menu option, and from here you'll be able to view your booking calendar. So you'll be able to keep track of your appointments, and you can also check out orders and so on. And in the future, the beautiful thing about Wix, if you would like to create a gift card, for example, in the summer or Christmas season, you could create a gift card. Once you are finished doing all of this, I would recommend you go over to the left hand menu option and scroll all the way down. Then from here, you're going to select settings. Then let's select settings. So we're going to leave out of the booking section. And the reason why I want you to go into settings is because I want you to go right where you see accept payments. And after tapping on accept payments, you will see the different payment methods that you can set up. So let's say, for example, you want to accept credit and debit card. You could connect this payment option, or you could connect PayPal. And by the way, if you do not see a payment option that you want to use, you could tap on see more payment options right there, and you will be able to view more payment options. After you have connected the payment options, the next thing I would recommend you do is tap on sales channel. And from here, you'll be able to see numerous sales channels, so you can start selling also on Facebook or on eBay or so on. You can choose any one of those sales channels. But once you're finished doing all of that, you're going to go up to the top, and you're going to tap on home. After you have tapped on home, what you're going to do next is tap on design site in the top right hand corner. And this is going to carry you to your current website, and I'm going to be showing you how you can edit how your website looks. At the moment, this is how our website looks, and you can see the menu option on the left and right here. You'll be able to add elements and sections. I'll be going through these. At the moment, this is how our website looks, and you can see on the left hand corner, you'll see the menu options. I'll be going through a few of these to tell you what each one does. But the first thing I'll be showing you to do is how to change the pic and so on of a particular section. So let's say you want to change the pic for the top right here, or the text, you can tap on the text box. Once you have tapped on the text box, you will see the option to edit text, and from there you will be able to change the text. And also, if you would like to change an image, all you have to do is tap on the particular image that you would like to change, and you will see the option change column background. Or from here you can see also a pencil icon right here. You could tap on this and you will see options on how to edit it. As I said earlier, with Wix it is quite easy to use their editing tools, so you can change all of these sections by simply tapping on the particular section. Then, as I said, you'll see the option to edit text, and you can edit the particular text that you would like to change. And also, if you would like to add a video or a pic, you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add elements. After you have selected add elements, from the drop down menu you will see image, and if you want to upload a particular image, you could tap on upload and import. Then you could select upload image to add it to your website. If you would like to add a button, you can also add buttons. Let's say, for example, you want to add a PayPal button or so on. All you have to do is hover over PayPal buttons, then select the type of button that you would like to add. And if in the future you would like to add contact forms, you can also do that. If you would like to add a registration form, you can also do that. There are numerous editing options when it comes on to Wix, as you can see right here. You can also add your social media if you want. And as I said, if you would like to edit the store or add store, you can also do that. And to find your pages, all you have to do is go up right where you see the third option right here, pages and menu. You are going to tap on that. And from here you can see the different pages that are currently on your website. And let's say I want to check out the booking pages. All you'll have to do is tap on booking pages. Then if I want to edit one, so let's say I want to tap on the booking form to edit the booking form. And you can see the booking form automatically opens up right here. So I'll be showing you how to add a section or so to the booking form. As you can see it right here, so this is what your potential clients will see. So you can see, fill out your details. As I said earlier, Wix is very professional and very easy to use. So you can see it right there. And they'll have the payment options which you would have set up already. And once everything is to your liking, all you'll have to do is tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will be live and you'll now be able to share your URL. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.